Chapter 1, Introduction to Partnership and Partners. So, the first aim is to know what is partners. Partners are two persons who do business just to earn profit are known as partners. So, when two or more than two partners come together to do a business is known as partnership. Partnership means when two or more person comes together to do business just to earn profit. The main motive is to earn the profit is known as partnership. Second, number of partners. In partnership, there can be minimum 2 partners or more. But according to Companies Act, there must be 50 maximum partners in private company, and in public company unlimited partners. The third feature is lawful business. In partnership firm, the business should be lawful. It should not be illegal, nor it should be unlawful to the government. The fourth feature is sharing profit and losses. The partners have to share profit and losses in a particular ratio. If the partner earns the profit, they have to distribute the profit between the partners. The ratio can be given as per the partnership deed, or if the partnership deed is not given, the ratio should be equal. Next feature is unlimited liability. Unlimited liability means if a partner or in a business there is loss suffered by the partners, and if they do not and if they are not able to pay the money, they have to pay the money from their own pocket. It is known as unlimited liability, and this liability is given to the partners. Sixth feature is registration. Registration should be done for the company according to Companies Act 2005. The seventh feature is joint ownership and management. Joint ownership and management means if there are two partners, then the business can either be joint or it can be managed and controlled by both the partners. The eighth feature is principal and agent. The partners can act as a principal or an agent to each other in the business. As for example, if one partners act as a principal to the firm with the outsiders, and the other partner act as an agent. The last feature is dissolution. Dissolution means termination of the partnership or the termination of the firm. If the partners get retired, if the partner dies, or the partner becomes insolvent, the firm gets dissolved or the partnership gets terminated. So now let's understand the partnership deed. As I said earlier, the partnership deed in simple words means the contract. The document containing the partnership agreement among the partners is known as partnership deed. Partnership deed can be either in written or in oral. Now let's understand the contents of partnership deed. Means what is written in the partnership deed. The first one tells us that the name and the address of the firm and the main business of the firm, that what the business does. Second, the name and the address of the partners and the duration of the partnership. The name and the address of partners means where the partners live, and the duration means for how much time the partnership will be followed. Next is capital contribution of all the partners. Here it is mentioned that how much capital each partner has been contributed. Ratio of the profit and losses. When a business earns a profit or gets loss, in which ratio does the profit and loss can be contributed. Next is rights and duties and liabilities of the partners. It means what work and what duties has been given to the partners and which liabilities has to be bared by the partners. Next is provision related to the admission, retirement and death. Provision means any changes. If a third person or a third partner comes into the business is known as admission. If any one partner gets retired or any one partner gets death, then what changes should be done in the business, it is written in the provisions. The next topic is rate of interest on capital, loan and drawings. If a partner contributes a capital, the partners gets interest throughout the year or during the year. Or a partner takes drawing or the loan, they have to pay the interest. And next is salaries, commission, etc. if payable to any partners. If any partners have been said that if they get a fixed salary or a commission, it is written in the partnership deed. Next is settlement of accounts on the dissolution of the firm. If the firms get dissolved or terminated or gets ended, how the settlement should be done is written in the partnership deed. Next is method of settlement of disputes among the partners. If the partners has been gone through a quarrel or disputes, then which methods of settlements are being used, it is written or mentioned in the partnership deed. And the last topic is any other matters relation to the conduct of business. That's it.